Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's look, I have a very glam as fuck look using the Colourpop X Shayla Palette in Perception. Isn't this just so beautiful? You guys can purchase the palette at colourpop.com, or I think they also sell them in Ulta, but I'm not sure. But the palette is $23. If you guys want to know how I got this look, continue watching this video. Okay, so I already have my eyelids primed, and now let's get into the look. So the first brush you want to use is a crease brush, and I'm going to go in with the color Thick right here. I already have some in my brush. I forgot to prime and I just did it just now. So I'm going to go with the color Thick right here, that orange color. And I am going to use this as my transgender, I don't know what it's called, transumption. And I'm just going to apply this above my crease. I'm gonna go in with the color Play Out right here. It's this very, I don't know what color it's called. I'm going to apply this to the outside crease, to the outer corner of my eyes, and then blend it up into my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to grab a flat brush and I'm going to use a little bit of setting spray to wet the brush. Going to go in the color TF right here. And then blend it out to the color Played Out. So kind of doing a cut crease, but not really a cut crease. Okay, so now for the bottom part. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the color Revenge right here and pop that under the bottom lashes, the outer. I'm going to grab a clean brush and then I'm gonna go in with the color 14 right here. It is a blue color. I'm going to use a flat brush to get this color. Of course, wetting it with my setting spray. And then I'm going to pop this color in the inner corners. And then just blend it out with the color, the shade Revenge. Then I'm gonna pop some lashes on and I will be back. This is the final look. I went ahead and put some setting spray on my face using my Mario Badescu skincare toner. It also can be used as a setting spray. And I went and put some Colourpop in the color Zuma liquid lipstick on my lips. And I went back in with the palette and I added the color Unbothered right here, this white color, on my arch brow bone and in my inner corners. This color is just so gorgeous. It's like rose gold and copper, and it's so crazy because in the pan it looks white. If Colourpop comes out with a highlighter like this, I am definitely going to buy it. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe this video and on my channel. And if you guys want to know how I got a flawless skin-like foundation, please watch the video before this video. So yeah, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I love you guys all. And I'll see you